Hi there, families. This is Miss Laura, and I'm going to be looking at day 16, or I'm sorry, day 17 for your language arts lesson, Living in Shells Part 2. So far, you've compared and contrasted characters, and now today you're going to work on identifying a theme in a story. So, as you know, the theme is the author's central message or point in telling the story. In a story this short, the author relies on the characters and just a few key events to show the theme. As you read the rest of the story today, think about this following question. What did you learn about the characters through their dialogue or the way they were talking? Now read pages 7 through 10 of Shells. After you finish the story, please answer these three questions in your ELA journal. The next section, you are going to be completing a story sequence chart. You are supposed to draw a chart, write Shells for the title, and you're going to look at the sequence of events that involve Michael and Aunt Esther. Write their names in the first box and add home and pet shop. Start on page 7. The first important event is Michael coming home with a hermit crab and showing it to Aunt Esther. Write that in the event 1 box, and then complete the rest of the story sequence chart with events that follow Michael bringing home that hermit crab. And then you can just discuss this with the person that you're working on it with based on the events. What do you think the theme of the story is? And actually, no, I think you should write that at the bottom of your chart once you discuss it with the person that's helping you. All right, the next part is inferring a theme. It says good readers can infer, or like basically when you make an inference, it's like you understand what's taking place. So use your prior knowledge along with clues to make inferences about a story's message. This part can be done with your guided partner or your guided teacher at home. You do not need to answer these in your journal. So you should click on this and then answer these questions with your learning guide. Your vocabulary, you can discuss it with your learning guide. That is all you need to do. And then you're on to your writing for the day. Now, it does talk about how you're starting a new story and you're going on to the next part. If you use the outline, you will see that I put down here, spend 15 minutes typing your story that you started on Monday. You should try to finish that story. And then you can spend 20 minutes writing your new story in your journal. And that is going to be all for your ELA.